Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked a couple of weeks ago about a VPN that will be included in Microsoft Edge. Now, some of you might actually have it, as it has started rolling out slowly in the markets where it's offered, like in the United States, to the stable version of Edge. And the VPN, Virtual Private Network, makes sure that things are encrypted from your browser to the server where it's connected to have some privacy. And of course, it also means that the internet service provider that you are with cannot see what you do. So it lets you maybe connect or do things on the web where you may be restricted because of your ISP. So we had talked to Microsoft had given 1 gigabyte free of data per month for totally free, and we were talking about them offering it. Now we know more details and actually a better offer. Microsoft has announced that the data offered for EDGE VPN will be 5 gigabytes per month free. So if you don't pay for it, 5 gigabytes, you have to be connected with your browser to the Microsoft account, because they have to count the number of gigabytes you're using. So by doing that, they will actually count number of gigabytes, and it will be actually offered by Cloudflare, which is a third-party company that actually specializes in connectivity and virtual private networks. So now we have more details. So it's not Microsoft itself handling any of the traffic. All it does is count how many gigabytes for your free offer. And of course, the traffic goes through Cloudflare. So it is a secure and a safe VPN that you can use for free on the Microsoft Edge browser. The only thing that you can do, and that's the thing that sometimes some people use, is you can't actually choose which server you want to connect, because standard VPNs, what you can do is go and select, for example, in what country you will be connected. In this case, you cannot choose what country you're connected. You can only have the one that is offered. So you'll be connected somewhere, but you won't be offered to choose where through Cloudflare. So 5 gigabytes. I think this is a better offer. I think 5 gigabytes for most people that just do standard, web browsing, no streaming, nothing. This will be fine. I think 5 gigabytes is fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.